Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for the 1st of June, Wednesday, and it's pretty good day for it being the 1st of June. Not the best day, should have been better, but it is what it is. You end with profit, you go home, you live to fight another day. Today we had 4 trades for maximum profit potential of 4 points or 16 ticks. 4 points equates to $200 at $50 a point, so not too shabby in the ES world, especially for 2.5 hours worth of work. Our first trade was a short right here at 40 quarter, and we were able to write that down, exiting along the way. Tried to grab a long in this area, and price ran back down to bite us. We tried another long, and price ran back down, and then we waited on it and took a long right here and able to take profits, and then the market just kind of fell down. It's kind of like a drunk guy that he's drunk and he's can't stand up, and then finally he does stand up, and then he falls down the stairs, something like that. Definitely an interesting market though, and any day you end with profit is a good day. In a perfect world we would still be short this, but it's not a perfect world, and you get bumps along the way, and it is fun though, and you do learn something. As long as you learn something every day, it's good. Definitely a good day every time you learn something. But anyway, the website is www.businesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check it out, see if it's for you. We do have a lot of fun. We focus on the ES market, all day long from 9:30 to 12. I open the room a little bit before 9:30, but that's when the market opens. So we focus on the ES. We look at it, and focusing on one market allows you to learn it and to be able to better trade it after you learn it. So it's definitely a lot of fun. I have some friends that they like to trade the equity market. Learning how the ES moves definitely makes you a better equities trader. I'm more of a long-term equities guy, like a couple of years. Every now and then I might get into something for about 6 months, but usually it's a couple of years if I get into anything. But anyway, come check out the website at businesswithtrading.com. Upper right hand side I have a contact form. Send me any comments, suggestions, questions you might have, or leave a comment under this video if you're watching it on a video site. If you do enjoy these videos, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope you guys have an awesome 1st of June, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.